In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. So let's dive in. So if you are uploading a video on TikTok and it's not showing on For You feed, the first thing you need to do is make sure there is no copyright material you are using in your video. It should be your original one. And if there is any copyrighted material, you will need to delete it and upload something original. So this was the first step. In the second step, from your profile, click on these three lines on the right top side. Open this settings and privacy. Scroll down and you will find here this report a problem. Then you will find this type of window. You have to open this account and profile. Open this profile page and select other from here. Click on this need more help and then you have to write your problem. You have to tell TikTok team that your video is original and doesn't have any copyrighted stuff. You can write in detail and simply send it to TikTok support team. So TikTok support team will review your problem and hopefully get back to you. And after doing these two steps, you have to make sure that you are using a public account, not private. That you will find option in privacy. So that's how you can fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed in just few steps.